Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you another variation of a Spätzle recipe. This recipe contains milk, which makes the Spätzle light and fluffy. This German noodle variation can be used in all Spätzle recipes and is especially well suited for the sweet Spätzle dishes. Add all ingredients to a large bowl. Mix by hand or with a mixer until the batter is smooth, shiny and begins to show bubbles. Allow the batter to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, heat the water in a large pot. Add about 1½ tablespoons salt to the boiling water. After the resting time, stir the batter one more time and now you can start to make your Spätzle. Press about 1/3 of the batter through a Spätzle maker or shave by hand with a Spätzle board. If you don't have a Spätzle press or maker, you can use some other kitchen tools you probably have already at home. Below the video you will find some links where I explain different ways and tools you can use to form the Spätzle. Wait until the Spätzle float to the top, then let them cook for additional 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can scoop them out with a skimmer into a strainer or a pan with melted butter. Repeat until all the batter is used. And that's how easily you can make homemade German noodles. Check out our Spätzle recipes to get some inspiration of how to serve these delicious German noodles. Guten Appetit!